let's not forget the men in our lives. They too have a part to play. The role of men in supporting women's autonomy is an essential conversation in our modern society. Men can offer emotional support, aid in decision-making, and share domestic responsibilities, helping women maintain a balance between their career ambitions and home life. The beauty of this support is that it's not a one-way street. When men invest in the growth and independence of their partners, they too reap the rewards. A more autonomous woman can bring fresh perspectives, increased financial stability, and a stronger partnership to the table. This, in turn, creates a more harmonious and balanced family environment, benefiting everyone involved. Moreover, when children witness their fathers respecting and supporting their mother's autonomy, they learn valuable lessons about gender equality and mutual respect. These lessons shape a more equitable future society. Hence, a supportive man not only strengthens the woman but also the family as a whole. Life is a juggling act, and setting priorities is crucial. We all wear many hats: professional, partner, parent, friend, and finding a balance among these roles is key to a fulfilling life. One of the biggest challenges for modern women is finding harmony between career aspirations, family responsibilities, and personal time. The traditional notion of a woman confined to the home has been challenged and reshaped. Today's woman strives to excel in every sphere of her life, including her career, while nurturing her family and maintaining a healthy relationship with her partner. Setting priorities is not about choosing one area of life over another, but rather about making conscious decisions on how to allocate your time and energy. It's about recognizing that you can't do everything, and that's okay. It's about understanding that sometimes work may take precedence, other times family might need to come first, and there will be moments when you need to prioritize self-care and personal time. Why is finding this balance so important? Well, without it, we risk burning out or feeling overwhelmed. We may excel in one area of life, but at the cost of neglecting others. This imbalance can lead to stress, dissatisfaction, and even affect our health. But how do we find this elusive balance? It's about planning, communication, and flexibility. It's about setting clear boundaries and realistic expectations. It's about understanding that balance doesn't mean equal time for all areas, but rather a fluid allocation of time based on current needs and circumstances. Remember, it's okay to ask for help, whether it's from your partner, family, friends, or professional support. You're not alone in this juggling act, and sharing responsibilities can alleviate stress and create a more balanced life. Embrace the joy of missing out. It's okay to say no to things that don't align with your priorities. Replace the fear of missing out with the joy of investing time and energy into what truly matters to you. Ultimately, finding balance and setting priorities allows us to live fulfilling lives. It lets us weave a tapestry of experiences and accomplishments that are uniquely ours. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth the effort. Remember, no woman is an island. Community is power. It's a force that amplifies our voices, strengthens our resolve, and bolsters our courage. As modern women, we are not alone in our journey. We are surrounded by a community of like-minded individuals, other women who share our values, our goals, and our vision for the future. This community becomes our support system, our sounding board, our cheering squad. They are there in our moments of triumph, and they lift us up in our moments of uncertainty. We learn from each other, draw inspiration from each other, and grow together. This is the power of community. It's about more than just networking or making connections. It's about building relationships, fostering understanding, and creating a space where we can all thrive. In unity, there is strength. Together, we can conquer anything. Education is the key to autonomy and success. It's a catalyst for personal growth and a tool for independence. Let's take a moment to appreciate its role in our lives. Education in all its forms provides us with the skills and knowledge we need to carve out our own paths. It equips us with the tools to make informed decisions, to stand up for ourselves, and to navigate the world with confidence. Whether it's learning about finance to manage our money, studying leadership to excel in our careers, or understanding psychology to enhance our relationships, education empowers us. It goes beyond textbooks and classrooms, extending to life experiences, mentorships, and even our mistakes. These are all valuable lessons that contribute to our autonomy and success. Remember, education isn't a destination, but a lifelong journey. And it's through this journey that we continue to grow, evolve, and shape our own destinies. With education, the world is our oyster. And with that, we come to the end of our journey. We've explored the power of the nuclear family, the harmony of traditional values with autonomy, and the importance of balance. Remember, being a modern woman doesn't mean abandoning tradition. It's all about balance. Remember to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and remember, is hard but not impossible.